I'm Erika Green with Walker Consultants, and I'm here in Evanston, Illinois doing a site visit at a facade repair project. It's a concrete facade, and we're just doing an initial drop checking for concrete cracks, spalls, delaminations, failed sealant, deteriorated sealants, pulled gaskets, that type of thing, and marking the locations for the contractor to repair. The client hired Walker to determine what the facade issues were, to make recommendations to how to repair them and make site observations during repairs. When the repair work is done and completed, we'll come and make another check to see that everything was picked up, check to see that the repairs were done according to the drawings and the design intent. It's always something new, different projects, different issues to solve, and nice when you get to solve them at the end of the day. So.